Hello, this is Johnny B. Bed, 6661 John F.K. Page again. Idiots keep leaving the fucking inner door open on the apartment building here. Like that inner door is supposed to be shut just like the regular door on the outside, the exterior door. For HVAC comfort and security of the building. So my fellow visitors and tenants, close the fucking door. Like that. It's supposed to be closed. Both inner and exterior doors set for security reasons. Okay? It's for energy efficiency and security. So there's a double check of security, like making sure there's nobody trying to get in. Somebody's car just got towed. But anyway, like I said, tenants and visitors and delivery people, make sure that fucking door is closed all the time. All right? Both doors. Interior, exterior. For HVAC comfort and security.